cookie dough?
Huh?
Does anybody eat the cookie dough? Plain?
Wow.
Wow, yes. Who eats cookie dough? Me. I eat cookie dough. Mikey is going to help me make cookies. He's eating all the M&Ms though. It's okay. Look at the bowl. Here, let Mama have some. All right, but I'm going to say, we cheated a bit. We're kind of busy to make dough. We cheated, huh? Yeah. Chocolate chip. And peppermint sugar cookies. They looked delicious. Yes. We're gonna just cut them up, throw them on our stones, throw them in the oven. Because we got things to do today. We just can't be baking all day, right? How many we have? How many? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4, that's it?
Wow.
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 You did a good job, Mikey. Stop, don't touch. Okay, so I wanted to take you through a day in the life, a weekend, a holiday weekend in the life. First, we went and played a little tennis. Mikey loves tennis. Look out, Roger. We're coming for you. We really are. Oh my God. He played for about literally 4 minutes before he was all done. Look, that was it. All done. But it was a special day to play with Daddy. And then we went off to do some holiday shopping. Crate and Barrel, oh my God, is my jam. I could buy everything in that store. It's so pretty. It just, look at the white couch. I have 4 kids. Can you imagine? Oh God, this store was packed. Still, I love these reindeer. I didn't need them, but they were very cute. Very, very cute. And all the ornaments and the Christmas music playing. It's just so festive. And it wasn't that crazy busy. It wasn't. As you can see, right, there's not a gazillion people. And I actually bought a treat for myself. Look at the candles. And I got an amazing new cheese board. I can't say the French word. I mess it up every time, but I will show you in a coming video. Look, there it is. Oh, it's so pretty. And then we had more shopping to do. Of course, I have to stop at the Disney store and get my Disney fill. Even though we were just there, we can always buy Disney. Of course we can. This blanket was so soft and cozy. I had to get a gift for my daughter's husband. He loves Jack Skellington. I hope he's not watching. And of course, all the kitchen goodies. Love, because we just baked those cookies. I could have used those bowls. Michael loves anything lighted, anything Christmas music. So of course we had to stop and check that out. And then we went to lunch. Something fun and different. I haven't been to Johnny Rockets in years. They have some really cool fraps. There's like a 50s vibe to it. It's a burgers and fry thing. I got a grilled cheese, but Mikey had a blast. He really did. Look. He always does. Cheers. He loves that. He does it with ice cream usually. Actually, the most. He does it. So, and then, of course, it's not a holiday without liquor. So we made a stop at the liquor store. Mobbed. It was mobbed there. Whiskey for 2. Boo. And it's just fun. Here was Anthony's, one of his favorite beers ages ago. Look at the name. It's strong. I don't drink that. That's way too strong for me. But yeah, so of course you need your holiday spirits. And then we went off to a specialty grocery store to check out all the cheese for our new cheese board. Look at the meat. This is a real fancy grocery store. Prime rib, real expensive. And then, of course, all the different kinds of cheese. And that will be coming in a video soon, hopefully before Christmas. Wait till you see my cheese board. It's beautiful. But I love checking out, oh, look at all the new spreads. And of course, I'm a dessert girl, so yep. Oh, there's an abominable snowman, an elf. Get me to the desserts. I can't not eat them. I can't. It's my downfall. But I'm good about it. Like, I won't eat the whole tray. I'll just have one for lunch, one for dinner. No. And there's Michael. He's a dessert guy too, all about the chocolate. And then the best, off to the North Pole. This actually is a house. This is a city over. This is their home, and they welcome people to drive around their property. Look at the lights. This setup, they do this every Christmas for weeks. And what's nice about it is you don't even have to get out of your car. So if it's freezing, you can view the entire thing car side. Well, I'm glad you came along for my weekend, my holiday weekend. I hope you subscribe and stay tuned.